How's it going, YouTube? Nick here. Sorry for not making a video very recently. I've had a lot of things going on, especially with work, home life. So I had a chance today to get out and go flying, and turned out to be a pretty nice day, even though the winds when I started were 8 miles an hour. Wasn't too bad. Got up in the altitude there at about 3,000 feet. Went out and flew over the family farm and did a couple of laps, and then came back, landed. Didn't have much of a destination, but just getting out, being proficient, making sure that my flight skills are still sharp. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and like I said, sorry for taking so long, and hopefully I'll be posting content a lot more frequently, and yeah, anyways, enjoy the video.
Miranda traffic, Cessna 1870 Victor, taking off from 922, according to the west ridge area.
Alright, check this. Oh, everything looks good. Trim is set. Have any knots? A little bit of a cross run. This has been the quietest flight I've ever had. Peaceful. Nice and stable approach. Crosswind landing.
By the way, this is probably one of the best landings I have ever done, especially in a crosswind.
Glad my camera's still on. That was a really smooth landing. Well, anyways, sorry for not posting a video for a while. Haven't been flying, the weather's been kind of cruddy. It's either been extremely hot and windy or... yeah, that's about it. But, yeah, we had some late rains. Late rains this spring. That made it really hard to go out and fly. Really crappy weather then, too. That's the thing about it having a champ is... no, the flying is very selective. Gotta fly by your comfort. Tail wheel, I'm a lot more comfortable in this tail wheel than I was before, so I'm getting a little bit more getting out there and going and flying and stuff that I'm not used to, but I just want to take it slow, not overdo it. Don't want to get anything I don't feel comfortable. But every once in a while I just go a little out of my comfort zone. Today was kind of one of them. I had 6 to 8 mile an hour winds and they're direct crosswind, so. But it was really smooth, get up to 2,000 feet, 3,000 feet. Everything was extreme smooth up there. But yeah, so it was a great day of flying. I just wanted to get out and go. Might get out and go tomorrow. We'll see. This champ's coming up for annual here in July, so it'll be down for a few weeks and I won't have any access to it, so I'm just trying to get as much as I can out of it. And we'll have another season for flying after that. Alright. Turn the fuel off, let it run for a minute.